Hello viewers, and welcome back to GOLCA TV. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the post notification bell, so every time we publish a new video you'll be the first to get notification. And also on GOLCA TV we publish new and trending videos daily, so make sure you're part of us. Don't also forget to like, share and also leave your comments in the comment section below. A viral video of two Nigerian youth having sex has taken social media by storm. There's a girl in the video, she is rumored to be a student of the Ladoke, Akintola University of Technology, Ogbomoso. Basically, according to sources, the viral video was recorded about 2 years ago after the young student met some guys online who promised to pay her $5,000 per month allowance if she could make a pornographic video with them. Apparently she wasn't paid, and she kept on asking them for the money. She kept on demanding payment, but the guys blatantly refused, and every time she asked for the money they would threaten her with the video, so she just stopped asking them for the money. Now she is apparently now in a more serious relationship, and the three guys now approached her again and asked her to make another sex video. Basically they just wanted to have sex with her again, but she declined. Anyways, they threatened her, and and they said they will release the video. To cut the long story short, it was leaked on Tuesday, the 2nd of February 2021. The over 5 minutes video has since caused divided opinions on Twitter. The video is all over the internet. If you want to just search Lautech sex video, and you'll get it there. And also, you see a clip of this girl, basically saying she doesn't give a fuck. She's an Olosho, it pays well, and things of that nature. It just goes to show that, we've seem to have lost our, decency and moral principles in Nigeria, because, how can a young lady be going online and be saying she doesn't, care because she's an Olosho, and she admits it, and she blatantly, without any shame or regard for herself, for her decency, for her family, she's just saying yes, she's an Olosho. So it shows, that the moral decay in our society, and also I'm not sure if it's greed or desperation or poverty, for a young lady to agree to have sex on tape with strangers, and with the promise of getting paid $5,000 a month. I mean, who pays? Even American porn actors and actresses don't even get paid that much, Anyway, don't ask me how I know. But I'm just saying, this is just really, really terrible. And the fact that the lady has no shame about it. And I keep saying, young people should be careful, because you never know where the video is going to end up. You never know when it's going to come back and bite you. You might end up getting married to a politician, to even the president of the country. And then, someone is just going to leak out, a video of you performing different skills and different styles that were recorded, years ago. And then it just cause you heartbreak, cause you heartache, and you just be a bombshell. Anyways, let me know what you think about the video. Make sure you like, share, and also comment in the comment section below. We'll catch you on another video from GOLCA TV.
I don't know you. You don't know me, so please don't badmouth me. I don't give a fuck. I'm an Olosho. It's a good work.